and Butterfly from Digimon.
Oh,
Uki!
Uki! Uki daisuki!
Uki!
Cute.
Ohayo.
Say it again.
Happy birthday.
Oh my god. Thank you, Tasukaru.
Morning voice, Tasukaru?
Oh my god, I need to stop talking.
Did you just wake up?
Yes.
Oh,
Oh
my god.
It's so deep. So beautiful. I love it. Keep talking.
Uki's dying.
I checked Discord
Yeah.
and I saw you guys were still in it, so I was like, oh shit, let me turn on my computer right now.
Thank you for coming. Going through the trouble in so early in the morning. You're so sleepy, but I'm enjoying it. You should talk more.
Ask him what his favorite movie is.
Ah, yeah, we were talking about movies. What's your favorite movie?
Out of everything.
Everything. I mean,
He's literally
Howl's
like, I'm
Moving
too fucking
Castle.
sleepy. Oh,
what? Howl's Moving Castle?
Let's go.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's a
that's
good
one of my
Talking
favorite
about him.
Ghibli one.
It's a good Ghibli, yeah.
I'm gonna be positive
Um,
and I'm gonna say the animation is pretty.
it's
very
very
pretty.
pretty. And the music is very nice. And
very
that
Honey, that was the Makoto Shinkai
Yeah,
one
this is a
after your
Shinkai
name.
movie. Right, right.
Yeah. And then you watch it later and you're like, oh, now I'm an adult and now it hurts me more.
Yeah.
Yay!
Actually, yeah, I watched it when I was pretty young. Maybe I didn't get it quite as much.
Oh,
Watch it
definitely
again.
give it another go if you can. Yeah, the third part will make you cry.
He also did Voices of a Distant Star. I had no idea.
I love Voices of a Distant Star. He basically made that himself.
Voice
I
of the
watched
Distant.
it
Oh, I
so
told you to watch
long
that
ago.
one.
Really
I've
good.
never heard of this.
The
I've
storyline
never
of that
seen it.
one.
I don't remember anything about it except for rain, pretty rain, and shoes.
Yeah, Pretty Rain, the
I
poetry,
remember that.
Yeah.
the scene on the balcony in the rain.
The key is you watch the movies and you expect it to be bad.
Yeah.
And then
Thank you,
it's the
Uki.
best movie ever.
True,
I
true.
told you, I can't get behind that mindset.
He's like, if I don't expect anything from you, you're never gonna disappoint me.
That's the biggest problem when it comes to Your Name. Your Name is a fantastic movie. It's just everybody hypes it up like it's the best thing of all time.
That's a good
Yeah.
point. Yeah.
Oh, we
Oh, you
Elira, hello.
Good morning. Happy
Yo.
Yo.
I just opened my eyes.
Good morning.
And did light come rushing inside?
It's you.
Yeah, I'm so scared I missed your birthday stream. I'm so happy you're still going.
Oh, it's okay. Even if you did, you know.
Good morning,
Thank
Peach.
you. Something to consider on the member streams or something. I opened my membership the other day. Now I can start doing stuff like that.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Membership, let's go.
Let's
Wait.
go.
I can lend you my
The really
Disney
new
Plus.
one, Turning
Thank
Red.
you.
I want to watch that.
That one is pretty good too.
Oh, the one
Turning
with the red panda. Yeah, it looks so
Yeah.
cute. I need to watch that.
Yeah,
Such
I'm
a good
sure it's
film. The
great,
song
though.
was so good the first
Bad
1,000
people.
times.
Yeah, no, that's real. Yeah.
Yeah.
I haven't seen it, but I've heard that song like hundreds of times.
The
The
songs are
snow
great. I just
glows
never
white
really
on
liked
the
it.
mountain tonight.
Oh my god, Uki!
So true.
So
True, bestie. I like watching other people get scared.
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah,
god,
Uki.
That's the fun of watching people play horror games.
Honestly, that's why I always watch horror movies with friends.
Do you guys have a license in real life?
Yeah, I drive.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Nope.
Bitch, I don't know how to drive.
Me either.
I drive.
Same.
What? What? What are you talking? Oh my god.
Oh,
Uki, what are you talking-
don't do it.
Listen,
What?
Wait, why?
talking about
Why?
getting into accidents with the car, I was gonna say.
What?
No.
Whoa.
I was gonna
How
say
how does
Fu-chan and Sonny can
Yeah.
Oh, rear end.
yeah,
Oh
you
my
hit me
God.
from the back anytime.
Why is that the first thing you think of? Uki, please. Snap out of it.
Oh, I probably
you even
shouldn't
make the
ask what he's
connection?
talking about, right?
Hashtag save 84.
I
Sonny, what are we
can- I
talking
can-
about? Move
I
on.
can
Move on the
make-
conversation.
Okay.
No, that's like the one good photo I had from the entire day. The rest was me like falling over, like just in generally.
Can't see where you're
unattractive.
walking.
Yeah,
mean-
yeah.
Those boots look hard to walk in, to be fair.
Yeah.
Oh my god, they were so hot. Imagine walking blindfolded in like 5-inch boots.
True,
It
true.
sounds like a normal night to me.
Uki.
That question was directed
Let's
to
go.
everyone
Why
except
are you-
Uki.
Why are you blindfolded? Don't even answer that. Never mind. Mista's so cute. Thank you, Mista.
Yeah, that was so cute.
Aww.
Mm.
I'm really hungry. That was
I'm so sleepy.
It literally worked like
I
that.
say that, but I haven't had KFC in like 10 years.
Oh wow.
That's probably a good thing.
I had it. I had it yesterday.
I mean, Colonel Sanders.
Yeah.
No.
Oh my god.
What?
Stop!
You love
What?
him? Have you played the game?
Oh my god, the hot,
Oh
Yeah,
my god,
the
the
Colonel
dating
Sanders.
sim. What is wrong with you? Kyodai, please.
Anything leads to sexual
You love
tension
me
with
the
Uki.
way I am.
I do, but please. I'll be kicking their doors in. You can't kick my door.
Yes,
I'm
it's
kick your
that.
doors.
Kill it all.
Damn.
Yeah.
Please kick my door down.
Oh my god.
Hey.
Oh my
Okay.
god, this is literally what I said earlier. I was like, if people hear it, people down bad are just gonna be like,
It's just
Kick
a
me
door.
down.
What do you mean?
I want to be the door.
Taicho,
What?
step on me, Taicho.
No.
Yeah.
Only to criminals.
I'm a criminal.
No, you're not.
Uki.
I know you would never do anything like that. I hope. I hope.
Think about my rights.
Lyra.
Yeah, I was thinking about the rice purity test and thinking, I hope. Yeah, I never really buy merch. I only
Speaking of
tend to buy-
merch.
What?
Did you guys know on the Nijisanji En official store, you can right now buy Sonny Brisko's
Let's
birthday merchandise?
Hey.
What?
go.
Really?
Oh my god.
Are you talking about the store that there's a link for in the description of this stream? That you can
Yes,
click
oh my goodness.
and observe and
You can
possibly
now get-
purchase.
Oh, it seems like I've
Voice?
accidentally pasted the link directly into the chat for anyone to click
And
on.
sorry,
What?
and
Oh.
acrylic frame keychain.
How did that happen?
How did that happen? Unfortunate accident,
It's
or
on-
maybe it's a fortunate accident. Well, you know, I better close it off soon. I'm getting pretty sweepy.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
too.
Mm,
Yeah, I'm gonna have a nap.
Oh my god.
yeah.
Thank you for having us, Sunny.
Thank you for
Happy
coming. Thank you everyone so much. I had so much fun. Thanks for
Happy
talking with me.
birthday.
Thank you.
Now it's time to watch a karaoke stream that I missed.
Same.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Don't expect too much, but thank you.
No, it was good. I
Oh
saw
no.
it, guys.
The
It was
people
good.
who say don't expect much are the people who are good.
Okay, it's really good. Yeah, I'm like the best singer. I'm gonna. Okay, I'm.
Happy
No, it's okay. Why did it sound like you were gonna stop singing halfway earlier? By the way.
Happy
Okay.
To
To me, we're doing this again.
Happy birthday, dear Sonny. Happy birthday to you. I'm sorry, that was my bad.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Okay, I'm leaving now. Thank you guys. Bye. Ah, and there they go. That was so funny.